हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका सबका अर्बन लिविंग होम एंड गार्डन डेकोर चैनल में स्वागत है। जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, माय चैनल इज़ अबाउट हाउ यू कैन डेकोरेट योर गार्डन एज वेल एज होम विद सिंपल आइडियाज़. So I'm going to show you how my kitchen looks like. I have named my kitchen as a garden kitchen because you will see a lot of plants in my kitchen which really enhances the overall look of the kitchen. Now you can see the look of my kitchen from the distance. Now I'm going to show you closely how we have decorated our kitchen with various things. Now this is how the kitchen looks like, and as our family believes in lot of color combination, so you will see we have used lot of vibrant colors while designing our kitchen. And as far as the storage space is concerned, we have not given a huge storage space. We felt that if we keep it open, it will really look nice. Now I'm going to show you all the things one by one, starting from here, that is the entrance. Now you can see we have got a huge entrance of our kitchen. Now you see this because we have removed the entire wall which was there here before, and we have kept the entire opening wide open so that it gives a huge look to the kitchen. Now you can see at the start of the entrance here at the corner, we have got these nice ceramic jars. Now we are not using these ceramic jars for our day-to-day purpose. These are kept only for the decoration purpose, but I think it really gives that traditional Indian look to the kitchen, and it is looking so beautiful. We have got 5 different sizes of jars with a similar color, and they are looking very, very beautiful. It enhances the overall look. Now you can see here again the kitchen top, we have got beautiful color combinations. Now if you see the entire kitchen, we have covered with the tiles because we don't want it to keep anything for painting purpose. Now it reduces your headache later on, and we have got this nice beautiful lamp also at the top which enhances the beauty of the kitchen. Now you can see that there is a nice false ceiling that we have given. Usually people don't give false ceiling in the kitchen, but then we decided to have it because this kitchen is visible from the living room, and we wanted to really give that beautiful look to the kitchen. Now this is the main wall of the kitchen. You can see we have got a nice painting over it. It is basically a glass painting that we have got, and we have fitted it while putting the tiles itself. Now this is the kitchen top that you are able to see. Now here at the corner you can see that we have our normal oil jar that we use on day-to-day basis. Now here we have got this beautiful ceramic jar in green color. We have got nice spatulas in that, and here you can see these are the beautiful jars that we have got. Now we usually keep the tea, coffee in this, and also the salt and the red chili powder. So the things that you require on day-to-day basis are kept here. Now you can see here again there are these two beautiful nice jar. So these basically contains the temporary pickle that we make at our home, which we use on day-to-day basis, and which can be consumed in 8 to 15 days. Now while going to a nursery, we found this beautiful statue of a kangaroo. Now we decided that rather than putting a plant in it, because the size of that kangaroo is very small, we decided to use this basically for using for keeping our kitchen knives and scissor and the all the day-to-day things that you require. Now here also you can see we have got a nice corner unit. Now it has all the spices like your mustard seed and all those things that you require in food, and then there is a nice spoon holder that we have got. All this is made up of a ceramic material. Now here you can see as I told you that our kitchen, we call it as a garden kitchen because we have got beautiful plants in it. Now here you can see I have got a nice beautiful snake plant that I have propagated myself at home. Then beside that there is a nice statue of Lord Buddha, and another snake plant we have got. Here we have got a nice beautiful queen marble money plant in the Buddha statue. Now again here you can see there are two beautiful jars. Again it has things that we use on day-to-day basis, and below that there are two beautiful jars which basically contains pickle. These are long-lasting pickles that we use on day-to-day basis. Now these are small jars that we have which basically enhances the beauty of the countertop. Now at the corner you can see that beautiful yellow color, the teacups that we have kept, which we use on day-to-day basis. Now here you can see a beautiful unit that we have got. Now here also we have kept all the things that we use on day-to-day basis. Now on the top you can see we have got a beautiful a nice lamp. This is basically a diffuser, but we are using it as a lamp. And then there is a nice flower pot at the top, and there are two beautiful the planters, the ceramic planters that we have got. Now here at the corner you can see a beautiful brass material water container that we have got. They say that it's very good for our health if you drink the water that is kept in this particular kind of a container for 24 hours. It has a medicinal value and it is good for our health. Now you can see there are beautiful plants that I have got. Now if you see the flooring, we have got a nice white clister flooring, and there is this beautiful runner that we have kept on the flooring. You won't believe this runner I got for 350 bucks from the Amazon, and it really looks beautiful. We have been using it for more than 6 months, and we have washed it several times, but the color has not faded and it really looks beautiful. Now if you see the color combination that we have used in our kitchen, it is basically the mango and maroon color combination. And if you see the tiles that we have used also has a maroon color, so everything matches with each other. Now here you can see that I have got a beautiful hanging pot with a beautiful red color, and there is a nice mix of the marble and the normal money plant that we have planted. Now here you can see there is a nice syngonium plant that I have got, and beside that there is another snake plant that I have. Now you will see that I have used lot of snake plants because these are perfectly indoor plants and they require less care, and you can maintain it very easily. Here also you can see that I have got the combination of aglaonema, that is lipstick aglaonema. So basically this has 3 different types of aglaonemas. One is the white marble aglaonema, second is lipstick aglaonema, and there is a third variety of a lipstick aglaonema here. Now here also at this corner I have got another beautiful plant. It is not an indoor plant, but then we ensure that we keep it for some time in the sun because there is a direct sunlight that comes from my garden. Now my videos are also about the gardening because I have got a huge garden, and I have also got videos on gardening, how you can do gardening on your own at home. So do subscribe to my channel so that you get updates on new videos, because I will also put up lot of videos on how you can plant these planters. So it's basically gardening tips for the beginners, and how you can propagate these plants easily. Now for example, these snake plants, if you go and buy it from outside, you will get it for 250-300 bucks, but it's very easy to replicate or propagate them. So I'm going to tell you in my videos how to propagate them in your at your home. Now you can see this is a wash basin that we have got, and at the corner again I have got a beautiful lipstick aglaonema plant. Here also you can see there are 2 beautiful photo frames that I have got. Again, these are ordered from Amazon, and you can see beautiful color there. Now here at this side I have got a nice fridge. You can see the cover of the fridge is really beautiful. It is in rose petals. Now this is basically the cover that I have ordered online, and it has a beautiful white and red combination. And on the top of the fridge you can see another beautiful zizi plant that I have got, and there is a nice vase that I have kept beside that, and it really looks beautiful. It enhances the overall beauty. Now this is how the fridge looks like. Now beside the fridge I have got a beautiful crockery unit that we have got made ourselves. This is not something that we have bought ready-made. Now again on the top of this we have got a nice snake plant. So this is the 4th variety of the snake plant that is there in my kitchen. So I have not repeated all the snake plants. These are all different types of snake plants. Now I'll show you how my crockery unit looks like. Here you can see at the top we have got beautiful golden color coffee mugs. Then we have got nice ceramic bowls. Then we have got these typical cups that you find at a tea stall. And again there are nice jars which we have kept here. So this is how our kitchen looks like, friends. Now I will also show you how the kitchen looks like when with this lamps that we have got. So I will switch off the other lights and I will just keep the lamps that I have. So again in this also usually we keep this kind of a dim light which really looks beautiful. It gives a natural and beautiful look to our kitchen. So friends, I'm sure you would have liked the video. We will update in our next videos how we are actually maintaining our kitchen, how this entire kitchen is organized from inside. So do subscribe to my channel to get the updates on further videos that I am going to put on my channel. So thank you guys for watching and have a fantastic day and a week ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.